Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can disable or enable the Windows Defender firewall in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices, whether it's a laptop or a PC. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it, and please make sure that you finish watching this video till the end. So there are instances that we have to disable our Windows Defender firewall whenever we are installing applications or software in our device, and there are also instances that we have to enable them so that our devices are protected and defended from any malwares that could harm our device. Okay, so to do that, just follow these few simple steps that I'm going to show you. So let's open the Run window, and we can do that by simply pressing Windows R key in our keyboard together. Or we can also make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on Run options. So once this Run window is up on our screen, all we need to do is just to click on, type firewall.cpl. It's firewall.cpl. Now once done, please click on OK or enter. And let's just wait for this Windows Defender firewall to be up on our screen. So in this window, we will see in the left pane the options like allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall, change notification settings, turn Windows Defender firewall on or off, and then restore defaults, advanced settings, and troubleshoot my network. So we will go with the option turn Windows Defender firewall on or off. So just make a click on that. And in here, we can customize the settings for each type of network. So we have two networks, the private network settings and the public network settings. So we can modify the firewall settings for each type of network that we use. So if we want to disable the Windows Defender firewall, all we need to do is just, instead of selecting turn on Windows Defender firewall, then we will select the option that says turn off Windows Defender firewall. And as well as for the public network settings, just turn off again or select again the main option that says turn off Windows Defender firewall. And then once you're satisfied with the options that you selected, you can now click on OK, and then the Windows Defender firewall of your device will now be disabled. Now, if you want to enable it again, all you need to do is just go back with the same window. So click again on this turn Windows Defender firewall on or off, and then here, instead of turning it off, we can now turn this on and then turn this on. For both the private and the public network settings, turn those on, and then once done, you can now click on OK, and then the Windows Defender firewall of your device will now be enabled. Okay, so I hope you follow the process accordingly, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.